take printout for 50 OMR sheet and write numbers. Okay, then without preparation also you can try some exams. Okay, with preparation or without preparation, what is the score difference? It's okay, but don't skip any exams. Okay, whenever you have time, you can do it. Then one more thing, main thing is error analysis. Okay, so make note for error analysis. Find your strength and weakness, where you are lack. Okay, then try to improve your. That it will be very helpful to improve your score. Then make 3 formulas note: physics, chemistry, biology. So write all the things from for grade 11 and 12. Biology, write the main points, notes, whatever you need. So whenever you are free, go through the 3-4 notebooks. If you are fed up, instead of revising again and again. Okay. Okay. So for some of them, some topic is easy. For some of them, that depends upon the capacity of the students. Okay. So what do you learn? That one, keep on revising. Then do more test series. Okay, if you are simply sitting and revising, no way, do practical. Okay, so this is the thing. So you have any questions also, you